The supply chain is the network of factories and stores that make up a business. Supply chains involve a lot of people, things, pieces of information, and resources. How they get their goods to the market is different. Some examples are making, moving, banking, selling, packaging, and marketing. Supply chain management plans how products will move, keeps track of them, and finds the best way to do it. The links in a company's supply chain can change its costs and profits, so everyone in the chain must know what's going on and what their part is. Marketing is useful. Marketing depends on being able to talk to people. Making sure that the supply chain works well is what marketing does. It's long-term and short-term. Here's how. Marketing makes it clear what each stakeholder and market needs to do. White papers, press releases, email messages, and newsletters tell suppliers and others about the brand and products they support and how they help with product delivery and the customer experience. The people in the supply chain need to be known to marketers. Marketing encourages people in the supply chain to work together. By talking to partners regularly, just like you do with customers and prospects, you make it easier for people to work together. To bring suppliers onto your team, use targeted messaging and the delivery of information. Different ways to talk to people. Inside and outside alignment gets better when there is constant contact. Marketing tells partners what is available and what people want. The marketing department knows how to keep track of market trends, but all departments need to do this. Your products and services need to meet your target market's needs, interests, and problems. Share what the marketing department has learned with the rest of the supply chain and make any necessary changes. People learn about the supply chain through marketing. Content can teach, tell, share news, or have a party. The marketing team does better when they make content that shows how well they know the supply chain. When you quote executives and other professionals from your suppliers or talk about their successes, you show thought leadership and promote supply chain management. Marketing is based on how well known a brand is. Partners in a supply chain whose brands are aligned know and represent each other better when their brands are the same. You can promote your goods and services by using well-known brands. Marketing takes data about the supply chain and turns it into information about it. The company's stakeholders can better understand how it works with the help of data, information, and analytics. The best place to find weak spots and offer solutions is in marketing. Marketing is a big part of how well supply chain management works, how well it works, and how profitable it is. The flexibility of the supply chain is helped by marketing. Marketing works with other departments to keep track of how demand changes. It also makes the company more competitive and helps partnerships work better both inside and outside the company. Communication between a business and its partners helps with teamwork, putting the customer first, involving stakeholders, dividing the budget, and making sure departments work well together.